I'm going to show you how to create custom styles to format your data. So on the Home tab, I'll click on Cell Styles and I'll go to New Cell Style. Then I'll give it a name and I'll click the Format tab and then I'll select the formatting I want. I'll choose Accounting with 0 places after the decimal, and I'll change the font to our company font, which is Avant-Garde, and I need to change the font color to our company color. Choose OK, OK again, and now I'll select the cells I want this new style applied to, and I'll choose Cell Styles, and I'll choose the style I just created. Now I'll go to the next sheet, I'll select the cells, and I'll go back to Cell Styles and choose that style. Now I'm on a new sheet and I'd like to use those same styles. When I go to Cell Styles, I don't see my custom styles. But as long as I have another workbook opened with those styles, I can choose Merge Styles, select that workbook, choose OK, and now my custom styles are in this workbook as well.